Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable high performance mode in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to enable high performance modes, there is two ways. The first way is that you must have to enable high performance on for CPU, or here's the second way, which is only for games. So first of all, you must have to open settings, then go for battery, then you must have to tap on power saving, and here you just have to disable that setting, which is limit CPU speed to 70%. Just disable that. After doing that, you must have to go back, and here just look for game booster. So go for advanced features, and here you will easily get game booster settings. Tap on it, then tap on game optimization, and from here just select performance. When you have selected performance, it will boost your phone while you are gaming. So that's how you can easily enable high performance mode in your Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.